안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. 쇼기전 미국에서 왔습니다. 한국말 조금 해요. 영어 지금요. What's up, Stans? This is John, and we're back with another reaction. And today we are seeing KARD for the first time in a long time. Last reaction I did was Gunshot, and of course it was awesome. Love the group. I know that they were going through some things, I think, on Twitter. I'm not exactly sure. Couldn't really follow it too much because, you know, Twitter sometimes doesn't have a translate, so you just don't know what's going on. But with this one, it's called Ring the Alarm. I wonder if it has anything to do with another song called Ring the Alarm. I don't know. We're gonna find out. But before we do, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. It really helps the channel, and it helps me learn more Korean, which I plan on trying to do. So anyway, let's get into this reaction without further ado, right now.
스타트!
Ooh, this one sounds smooth, but again, the same type of sound we're used to.
일단 즐겨 let go 기분 좋으면 say oh 1, 2, 3, 4 따라와 어서
put you in the mood bottle with the juice
Okay, all right, it's already catching me.
blow it all on me and you yeah got the sauce put it on you wanna eat it like an entree
Goodbye 19 벗어버려 마스크 따위나 못 가려 이제부터가 for real
pull it up take it up
Say 빨간 불빛이 켜지고 심장이 빠르게 뛰어 Ring the alarm 이리 올라타
You just can't go wrong when you have rhythms like this.
put up that fire keep it lit 색다른 애 글로스한 편한 거친 그림체 무의식 빠져드는 식 풀어가는 시간 go through the night shit 가혹적인 your body on my 미아쳐 눈에 미고
The spade in the eyes.
내밀한 호흡 따라서 vamos
Good girl bad 하긴 나름 어떤 장단에 맞추든 이제부터가 for real
pull it up take it up
Say 빨간 불빛이 켜지고
Hearts in the eyes.
빠르게 뛰어 Ring the alarm 이리 올라타 다 어서 타
what you want what you need I'll deliver
Figure the move you'll be mesmerized Ring the alarm 자리의 분위기 올라타
put up that fire keep it lit
자리야 모두 다 여기만 봐는 못돼 Once the sound is getting loud Every time we
You know what? They don't get as much credit for their dancing. They really don't.
Turn it up and I'm turning down Move your body, move your body Move your body,
don't think about it
move your body Move your body, move your body You know you got it Ring the alarm
pull it up
Ring the alarm 이리 몰려타 불어넣어
what you want what you need I'll deliver
Moving all your little way You got you in no time Ring the alarm Take you on the ride of your life
put up that fire keep it lit
맘이 가는 대로 멈추지 마 Don't hold back Ring the alarm
Nice. And they fade us back in with some more. Telling you, I just 100% fully believe that KARD is just one of the just most underrated groups out there. I mean, you know, their songs are ones that I constantly on my playlist every single time they come up. And it seems like my playlist algorithm likes KARD songs a lot because I got almost like 275, you know, K-pop songs on my playlist, and it just seems to pop up KARD more often than not. And every single time, especially in the car, it just sounds so great. And I'll say that KARD is one of the gateway groups that you can get people who don't normally listen to K-pop interested in K-pop, because I can't tell you how many friends I've had, you know, in the car and the KARD song comes on and they're like, I like this, who is this? And usually like, it's KARD, it's a K-pop group. They're like, really? Sounds like, you know, Hispanic, Latinx, you know, and I live in an area where it's like 80% Hispanic. So I know that they have a huge, you know, South American following, and it is evident. Their grooves and their beats are KARD, and it is Latin. It is salsa sounding. It's very, I love it. It's mellow and chill, and I love that about them. And they got some hard hitting songs too. But you know, like this is one of the ones that you could just put on smooth repeat and just hear it over and over again. And like I was saying, they really don't they don't really get enough credit with their dancing, because they could definitely dance. Of course, you know, most K-pop groups can, but their dancing just 100% fits with their song, and it doesn't overshadow it. It just seems like they're just out there just grooving to it. So I liked it. I enjoyed it. I haven't heard a KARD song that I don't like yet, but let me know what you guys think of this KARD song down in the comments. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and as always, you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. 안녕히 계세요.